My name is Doreen Higgins, and I'm a research nurse, and I've started working with Tumor Vaccine Group, which is now the Cancer Vaccine Institute, in 2003, I believe. So before, we would just had a couple vaccine studies that just targeted one protein. It was mostly for breast cancer. Now we have multiple vaccines that have multiple targets, and we're doing not only breast cancer, but ovarian cancer and lung cancer, and getting more into other cancers as well. In the beginning of our trials, we mostly worked with stage 4 people, stage 3 or stage 4, so with a very high chance of recurrence. And so you see people who are like super fragile, and they're just waiting for they're in remission, but they're waiting for the other shoe to drop, for them to recur. So they come to us with hopes that we're going to prevent that recurrence. And it's great to see many of them are still alive, and they have always been so appreciative. And we're super appreciated that they came to us. Only a small percentage of people participate in clinical trials. And we couldn't do trials without them. So they're happy for us, we're happy for them. So it's a great relationship. I love seeing them because I've spent a lot of time, with them during their visits and through emails and calls and stuff for years and years and years and years. But what I have been finding amazing is these patients meeting each other, because we can't tell patients about each other, you know what I mean? So this is the first time they've met other patients, and it's really has been exciting to hear their conversations and compare their stories. And so that's, for me, that's been the best part. I've been here a long time, and it's kind of a big family, and we work, everybody puts in 110%. Dr. Desis is she started it, and she works so hard, and she's our rock star. And she, just watching her work makes you want to work twice as hard, because whereas you think you're putting in 100%, Dr. Desis is putting in 250%. So, and we all have the same mission, and we all have the same passion. So it's not just a job or just a career, it's like a life. We want to help people with cancer. We want to find a cure. We want to find a prevention. So it's just passion.